Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 1067, the process terminated unexpectedly in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the problematic service. For example, let us assume that the service for which you got this error was the ASUS app service. Just for an example, it could be any service. So simply right click on it and select restart. The next solution will be an SFC scan. There's nothing much that you can do about it. You can restart the service SFC scan. That's all you can do. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.